वजनमाप खात्याचे काम, जबाबदारी आणि गिरायकांचे अधिकार हाचेर आधारित स्वयंपूर्ण गोय ही मोहीम अंतर्गत 7 तारखेक 9:30 वरांचेर हे सेमिनार जातले। मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत ह्या सेमिनाराक मार्गदर्शन करतले अशी माहिती वजनमाप खात्याचे सचिव रमेश वर्मा हांणी दिली।
In Goa, the department has organized paper registration cum FSSAI license scheme on Goa State Consumer Rights Day 2024, as our controller has already informed you, on 25th June 2024, and successfully registered 673 self-help groups as manufacturers and packers. The department works jealously in the state to protect consumer rights. As crusaders of consumer protection rights, the Department of Legal Metrology enforces consumer-friendly laws in the state and empowers consumers through awareness programs. So, in a bid to bolster consumer confidence, the Department of Legal Metrology regularly verifies over thousands of weights and measures used in various sectors. Our department is working with the pharmaceutical industries, petroleum, manufacturing, agricultural, precious metals, tools, mining, retail, etc. This department also registers manufacturer, packers, importers of packaged commodities as per the LM Act and rules. Registration as a manufacturer or packer importer is important in order to ensure consumers that whatever they are receiving with accurate net weights and complete label information, which enable our consumers to make value comparisons. The importer registration certificates become a mandatory document, as custom clearance is not given to any imported packaged commodities unless the importer registration certification, which is also issued by the Department of Legal Metrology. This is done to ensure that all imported packages are in compliance with our LM rules applicable in our country.